In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a signature to PDF in Emo PDF. First, let's open Emo PDF in your browser. You can do this by typing emopdf.com into the address bar and pressing enter. Once the page loads, you will see a clean and user-friendly interface. This platform is designed for easy navigation, so you won't feel overwhelmed. The browser version eliminates the need for downloads, which saves you time and storage space. This is vital for quick access to your PDF tasks. Once you're on the site, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now let's select Sign PDF from the list of tools. On the home page, you will find various tools listed. Look for the option that says Sign PDF. It is usually prominently displayed, making it easy to locate. Clicking on this option will take you to the specific feature designed for adding your signature to documents. This step is crucial as it sets the stage for signing your PDF securely and efficiently. Once you click on it, you will be directed to the next screen where you can upload your document. Next, upload the PDF you want to sign. You can do this by either dragging your PDF file into the designated area or clicking the Select PDF File button to browse your computer. When you choose the file, make sure it is the correct document you wish to sign. The upload process is quick and you'll see a progress indicator showing that your file is being processed. This step is important because it ensures you are working with the correct version of your document. Once the upload is complete, you will see a preview of your PDF ready for signing. Now, it's time to choose one of the signature options. You will see three choices: type your signature, draw your signature with your mouse or touchpad, or upload an image of your handwritten signature. Each option caters to different preferences, so choose the one that suits you best. Typing is quick, drawing adds a personal touch, and uploading gives a professional feel if you have a scanned image of your signature. Making the right choice here is essential as it reflects your personal style in the document. After selecting your preferred option, proceed to create your signature. If you choose to type, simply enter your name in the text box. If you prefer to draw, use your mouse or touchpad to sketch your signature. When uploading an image, make sure it is clear and well cropped. Once you are satisfied with how your signature looks, click Apply or Create Signature. This step finalizes your signature and prepares it for placement on the PDF. You will see a confirmation that your signature has been created. Next, drag and resize the signature to the desired location on the PDF. Click on the signature you just created and you can move it around the document. Adjust its size by using the corners of the bounding box. Positioning your signature correctly is vital for professionalism and clarity. This ensures that your signature is placed in a spot that makes sense and is easily visible. Once you have it exactly where you want it, you are almost done. Now click Sign PDF or Finish to complete the signing process. This action confirms that you are ready to finalize the document with your signature. You may see a brief loading screen as the system processes your signed PDF. This step is important because it ensures that your signature is embedded securely in the document. Once this is done, you will receive a confirmation that your document has been signed. Finally, download the signed PDF. A download button will appear, allowing you to save your signed document to your computer. Click this button and choose your desired location for saving the file. This last step is crucial because it allows you to keep a copy of your signed document for your records. After the download is complete, you are all set. You have successfully added a signature to your PDF using Emo PDF. Congratulations!